Hello guys, on this video we're gonna show you how to add the contact from your recent call list on the HiHi4. In order to add the contact, you need to go to your phone app, go to your recent calls, press the caller you want to add as a contact, create new, and on this window you can enter the details of your new contact. And you press save to complete. In order to add a contact that is not on your recent call list, you need to press the Add Contact icon at the bottom of the screen, enter the contact details and press save. And that's how you add the contact on the HiHi4.